Hello children, today we are going to discuss how to solve problems based upon mirror formula. So for that we have we have derived this mirror formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u, where f is focal length, at the same time v is image distance, and u is object distance. Along with this formula, you need to know sign convention, how to write a negative distance or positive distance, that we have discussed in the previous lecture. Now we are going to discuss few problems based upon this mirror formula, and we are going to say the nature of the image. What exactly is included in the nature of the image? Those are whether the image is diminished or enlarged, real or virtual, inverted or erected. This is what the nature of the image is. So all these things you are going to say in the nature of the image, but this time not experimentally. Now we are going to do it with the help of some problems. So try to follow me, it's very easy. Now we are going to discuss some few problems. The first problem of this application of concepts was discussed in the live session, so I am not going to touch that. Now I am going to take a higher order thinking question. It is very easy one, but we shall try to do it. A convex mirror with the radius of curvature 3 meter is used as rear view mirror of the vehicle. So what he has told is a convex mirror. It is a convex mirror, right? So see, let me draw the diagram neatly such that, convex mirror in the sense you are going to shade in the KV region and the bulge region will act as mirror. That is convex mirror. Now this is convex mirror, and he said that in front of this concave mirror at 5 meters, that means you are placing an object which is 5 meter distance. U is equals to 5 meter. As I told you, it's a star point while I am saying the sign convention, that is any object distance, whether it is in the case of concave mirror or convex mirror, you are going to consider the object distance as negative. Next, the radius of curvature was given as 3 meters. See, obviously the center would lie on the curved region. Towards the curve the center would lie, because it's a center, the curve can be drawn like this. Then the focus would be here itself. So he has told that the radius of curvature in a sense means the distance from pole to center of curvature. That's what he has given. You see, what we say, the incident ray would be moving from object to mirror, so it will get reflected in such a way that if you extend that, the reflected ray would pass through focus. Next we shall take another ray, assuming that it is passing through center of curvature, then the reflected ray would, see, if this is incident ray, the reflected ray would pass in the same path. Now you see, the incident ray direction is from left to right. These are two incident rays. Two incident rays are moving from left to right only. Ante kada? So now you see, if you want to calculate the distance, measure the distance of measure the distance from pole to center of curvature, that is radius of curvature, you will be moving in this direction. That is same as the direction of the incident ray. So the radius of curvature, when you are calculating the length of the radius of curvature, then obviously it would be taken as positive, that is 3 meters. It is given in the question, I didn't write from anywhere else. If r is 3 meters, obviously the focal length would be 3 by 2, that is 1.5 meter. As I already told you, focal length would be half of radius of curvature. One problem was discussed in the live session. It would be appearing as a recorded lecture for you, and this would be a recorded lecture. Try to follow. So totally we are going to solve two examples in this based on mirror formula. One is concave problem, another is convex problem. So try to follow this, very easy. You are. So we shall try to find out the image distance. That's what he has asked. Find the position, nature of the image. Find the position and nature of the image. The size of the image also given, but we are not given with the size of the object, so we can't find size of the image. Remember this. So totally we are going to find out nature of image, and next to that position of the image. Position of the image in the sense image distance only, remember. It is nothing but image distance only. If you are finding out position of the image, that is image distance you are going to find out. So we shall substitute these values in the formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. That is nothing but 1 by 1.5, that is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by 5. Why exactly minus? See here it is minus 5 meters. That is the reason I am going to give the sign minus. Let it be like this. In the next step, obviously the minus would be multiplied with the plus and it would become like this. Now I am going to solve this. 1 by v is equal to, I am sending this 1 by 5 this side, 1 by 1.5 plus 1 by 5. Let this 1.5, what shall we write? This 1.5 can be written as 10 by 15. Remember, if you remove this 0 here, it would be 1.5. Okay, the denominators are 5 and 15. The LCM would be 15. LCM would be 15. So 10 plus 1, 10 plus 3, sorry, 10 plus 3 by 15, that is 13 by 15. It is positive. The image is positive. See, the image was formed here. If you can see the reflected rays, this is a reflected ray and this is a reflected ray. Both the reflected rays are extended back. They meet at this point. Okay. Now you see 13 by 15. 15 ones, 15 zeros are 0, I mean 15, yeah, 130, 15, 8s are 120, 10, 100, 15, 6 are 90, 0.86, whatever. So let it be like this only, sorry, let it be like this only, 13 by 15. Now you see 1 by v is equals to 13 by 15. Next you can write v as 15 by 13, that is 13 ones, 13 ones are 13, 7, so 1.15 meters. So the image distance is nothing but 1.15 meter. Try to see the image distance, whichever you have obtained, it is positive, right? So if it is positive, you have to move in the incident ray direction about 1.15 meters. 1.15 meters incident ray direction, pole nunchi 1.15 meters ante idi 1.15 meter, ikkada pole nunchi 1.15 meters incident ray direction ante ee direction, left to right move avute you will obtain image. That's what we have calculated. That is the reason you have got positive sign over here. Next to that, we shall try to find out nature of the image. I already told you nature of the image can be found out using magnification. Try to remember this. Whenever you are asked to find out nature of the image, try to focus upon magnification. And we have obtained V as 15 by 13, right? So let it be like this. So magnification formula minus V by U. Minus V by U is the magnification formula. So we shall try to substitute. Minus of V would be 15 by 13. Next U would be minus 5. So try to cancel off 15 by 13 whole divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 3s, 3 by 13. 3 ones, 3 zeros are 3 2s are 440. 0.23 is the magnification. You have obtained the magnification value as 0.23. Remember, if m is less than 1, see 0.23 is less than 1, then the image is diminished. First portion was completed. Image is diminished. Remember, if m is positive, that's what I told you. Whenever you obtain any magnification value, you try to separate the value and the sign. And from sign we are going to interpret some nature, and from value you are going to interpret some nature. So with positive sign you can interpret that if m is positive, the image is erected. Remember, image is erected, and at the same time erected, and it would be virtual. Is these correct? Erected and virtual. Yeah, it is erected. This is above principal axis. That is the reason. Erected, same like object, it is also above the principal axis. That is why erected. And it has formed behind the mirror. That is virtual. And the image size is small. That is diminished. This is the nature of the image. From m value you can derive these particular points, that is diminished, erected, virtual. So we have found out position of the image. Position of the image is behind 1.15 meters behind the mirror, and at the same time the image is diminished, erected and virtual. Virtual is an image which cannot be captured, that is into the mirror. That means the image won't be forming behind the mirror. Like if you see into the mirror, the image is like it appears to be like it is 1.15 meters into the mirror. Mirror లోపలికి ఉన్నట్టుగా కనిపిస్తుంది అన్నమాట ఇమేజ్. మిర్రర్ వెనకాల ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ కాదు, మిర్రర్ లోపల ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క ఇమేజ్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్. సో విత్ దిస్, ఇన్ ద రికార్డెడ్ లెక్చర్ I have covered one problem from concave, and in this lecture, in the live section we have covered one problem from concave, and with this recorded lecture I am going to cover convex mirror case. So two cases I have covered, and I have explained how to find the nature of the image, and I have explained how to find the image distance. That's all for this class, and I am concluding this particular section with one more topic, that is solar cooker. In the next recorded lecture I am going to present it to you. Bye bye.